In this video, I will cover 3 workflows that you can sell to your potential clients for $200. I'm gonna demo all of them now. After that, I'm gonna show you how you can straight away import and set them for yourself or for your clients. And then in the end, I'm gonna show you one bonus workflow and one addition to this whole system, which is gonna make it a lot more appealing for your clients, and it's gonna increase its perceived value of the whole system as well. Make sure you stay until the end. Let's go. Let's imagine you're a small business owner. You pay for ads and people are filling your forms, but half of the leads get lost or never get a reply from you. I will use n8n, a free no-code tool, to build our automations. These workflows are beginner friendly and I will demo each one now. Then I will show you how to get the files, download them for free and set them up. Okay, let's start with the first workflow. Here is a form in your website or in your ad. Let's fill the form. Fill your name, your email, and our message, and let's test our workflow. We're gonna execute the workflow and test it. When we send the message sent successfully, and we got our message, and straight away our message is imported in Google Sheets with the date, name, the message, and this is the backbone that all the leads are gonna be in one clean sheet. It's not gonna be in an inbox mess. Then how we can build this up after that? We're gonna make an instant auto reply to these people that are submitting the form, so they can know that we got their message and they can have welcome message or just to have a reply from us to know that their request has been processed. How the second workflow works is when the form is submitted, after a random number of minutes from 1 to 10, our potential lead is receiving this email: your request has been processed, book a quick call. And this way every lead has been welcomed and they are getting our booking link and they know that their request has been processed, so we are not losing them. And what does it say? It's an HTML format email: request received, welcome. This is the name of the person that I have submitted because this is my name. We have processed the request. They have the time. We can format this time better. Your note, this is their message. I would love to walk you through how we can automate this efficiently, often with no-code tools like n8n, and map out a quick action plan. You can edit however you want this message. You can change the CSS of the HTML and everything. Here I am including my socials. They are with links. If you click them, you're going straight away to the profiles, my email, my profile picture, and book a 15-minute call. And it is really easy for them. When they click, it's straight away going to Calendly and they can book a call with you. And this is a really good practice to not lose leads, and everyone who has submitted the form now in the moment with our first workflow, it is added to our CRM, which is our Excel sheets for form submissions, and then they have received their welcome email. This way we are not losing any of the leads that are incoming from this form or from this advertising or wherever you're using the form. And then the third automation is 3 email follow-up sequence. This system is gonna follow up 3 days one after another, different type of emails. Day 1 is gonna be a reminder, day 2 is going to be testimonial, day 3 is going to be the calendar link. And this is how the emails looks like. Okay, we got our 3 emails. These are going to be the follow-ups. This is day 1, day 2, and day 3. Let's check the emails in. Okay, the email 1 is going to be: hi, name Gnailev, I wanted to quickly follow up. Did you get a chance to look at my calendar yet? Sometimes these emails get buried. Let's make things easier, book a quick call. And how we streamline, and this is their message. When they click book a call, straight away go into calendar. This is email 2. Hey, name, I've been thinking about your request. Again, their request. And I've built automations like this for other clients, and we are telling them some testimonial from other clients. For example, usually we save them 5 to 10 hours per week. Let's explore how it can work for you. And again, book your slot. And the third email is: I haven't heard back from you yet. No worries. If now isn't the right time, just let me know so I can keep a spot open for you. If you still want to explore automations, this is their message again. And here's the link again. And that's it. And this is the full system. So the 3 automations are from the form submission of the client's website, it is setting the fields first. So we have the fields from our submission here, and we are adding the lead to the CRM. We are welcoming them and sending them the link for booking a call, and we are following up 3 days after that. We can put a check. So with just 3 workflows, capture, reply, and nurture, you've basically built a mini lead management system. Any coach, consultant, or a local business will happily pay $200 for this system. They're not gonna miss any lead after that, and these follow-up emails are maximizing our chances to get the call booked. I've put the templates, the setup guide, and resources inside my free school community. Click below, join for free, and you will get everything you need to copy this today. Let me show you how you can set it up for you now. First, you have to come to my free school community in the YouTube video vault or in Classroom YouTube video vault. You have to see the video, the name of the video that you are watching right now. When you click the video, just next to the video window, you're gonna see the files that I'm gonna upload there. I'm gonna upload the SOP and the template files or JSONs. Then when you download these files, you're gonna go to your n8n instance, create a new workflow, come here to the 3 dots in the upper right corner, import from file, choose the file that you have downloaded. First start with this one, video 23, open it, and when you have this one, you have to set up your Google credentials for Google Sheets, Gmail, and for this new form submission. For example, if you are using this in your website, wherever you are built your website, for example, this is in HTML, you have to go and put this production URL into your backend of your website. So for example, if you're building with Lobel or Bolt or the other ones, you have to say, I want this form submission information to be sent to this webhook, and you are copying and pasting this webhook into your website builder, and this webhook is going to receive the information from them. And here on set fields, you have to map all of the fields that you have in your form. I have messages, email, and name. Here I have name, email, and messages, and I'm just mapping them from here. From the left side, you just drag and drop them here so you can have them clearly. And I have here from $now, this is the date today, formatted in a way that I am wanting it. And then from here you have to go to Google Sheets node. Just come here, create new credential, and to get these credentials, watch the video that I am covering all of the how to create all of the credentials. Then when you have your credentials, you have to input this Google Sheet document. This will be the Google Sheet document with the form data of your form. It's gonna be the date, name, email, and message that I have here in the form. And here response sent, this is gonna be the welcome message that we're gonna update, and follow up 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna include this Google Sheets document as well, so you can straight away just copy and paste it, and after that you can add your columns if your ones are some kind of different. And then you are setting your sheet, and here you're just mapping again from the set fields. You are mapping the email, the date, name, message, and here response sent is not sent just because we didn't send our welcome message. And then here this code node is generating the random number. This wait node is gonna wait for a random number of minutes from 1 to 10 in order to send the welcome message. Here you can go create new credentials, set your credentials again for Google, for Gmail. Here everything is gonna be set from set fields. It is taken the email of the person. And here on this HTML, you can copy this HTML to ChatGPT and format it or change the colors however you want. But here are the variables. This is the name, welcome, the name of the person. This is now the date, you can format it. And here is the message of the person, so their request. And then in the body and down, here signature and profile. This is my image, my profile image. My emails, my socials, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, everything, and the footer that you're receiving this because you have submitted the form. Here, for example, where it says LinkedIn, here you have to put your LinkedIn account. So you have to change your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube. The best way to edit this field, this email, is gonna be just come here, click Control or Command A, copy this full email, and go to ChatGPT and say replace all of the socials, email, name and contact details of this template email with my ones, which are, you are filling your details here and you are saying this is the template, and you're pasting your template here, and then it's gonna say I will replace all the name details, and here's the cleanup version filled in. When you fill your details, it's gonna go and change all of the variables here in this email and put your ones. If you don't like the format of the email and how it looks, you can tell ChatGPT to change the colors, change the places, and use your variables as well. And then for this one, execute workflow, you just have to go to here on the cross, just click Command or Control and click the workflow, so it's gonna open in a new tab, and this is gonna be your new workflow. Come to three dots, import the second file on the template, 3 email follow-up sequence, open it, and straight away you're gonna have the workflow filled in. And here you have to put your email credentials here, and for these HTML messages, just copy them again, ChatGPT chat that you have from the previous email, just say edit this email, replace this email as well, replace the details in this email as well, just paste the email, and it's gonna go and it's gonna update the name, the calendar link and everything, and updated the signature name to Mureya, all 3 of the Gmail notes. And here on follow up, you just put your credentials and put the document and the sheet that you're gonna import. And here on columns to match on message, because for example, if the same person with same email sent you different type of messages, you have to know for which message you are following up. This is why here column to match on message, here is the date, name and email of the person, and follow up it just sent. So it's gonna update for each email sent, is gonna update the follow-up sent here. And then when this workflow is ready, save it, and here on the name of the workflow, you can just go to the file, copy the name of the file, come to workflow name and paste it, and you have 3 email follow-up sequence. When you save the file, go to first workflow, and here on execute workflow, here you have to choose 3 email follow-up sequence and run once for each item, wait for sub workflow completion, doesn't have to wait, and that's it, you are set up. When you click save, let's test if it's gonna work. We're gonna click execute workflow and we're gonna fill the form. Let's say n8n, my email, let's put some another email, and for message I want to generate message sent successfully. I'm gonna say okay, and we can see the new form submission is added to our CRM. Welcome message is gonna be sent after random number of minutes. Let's say how many minutes. It says 1. Okay, after 1 minute it's gonna send the welcome message, and then it's gonna go and run the 3 email follow-up sequence that these emails are gonna be sent tomorrow at the same time, the day after tomorrow same time, and the day after tomorrow. Let's just wait for this execution to finish, and we're gonna check in these executions if this workflow is running, because now as you can see the executions are empty. Let's check our Google Sheet. Here is your form submission, name, message, and we have our follow-ups not sent. Okay, the follow-up email has been sent and 3 email follow-up sequence has been started. Let's check now in the executions of the 3 email sequence. We have our sequence waiting. There you go, it's gonna wait for 1 day. After that it's gonna follow up, then wait again, follow up, update CRM, wait, follow up, update, and that's it. You're gonna have your system fully working for your website or your clients. And let's check the message. Okay, and this is the message we received. Welcome, n8n. We processed. I want to generate. I would love to walk you through how we can automate this efficiently, often with no code tools. Grab a slot, YouTube, Instagram, email, and your profile photo. And I'm gonna cover one bonus workflow and how you can turn this all workflows and the whole system into a visually appealing dashboard, which also clients love, and you can show clear ROI and clear statistics to the client. This is what they care about usually, because they don't care how you're gonna build the systems or what tools you are using, but the clients or your potential customers care about what they're gonna get if they pay you certain amount of money. So this is gonna be the next workflow, which after adding the lead to the CRM from our form submission, then sending the webhook message to book a call, and then sending the 3 email follow-up sequence, we are gonna wait and check every day from these emails who got a reply. So we're gonna check our email and we're gonna compare the incoming emails with the emails that we have sent, so all of the leads emails. And if any of the leads that has submitted the form has answered us, we're gonna make a sentiment analysis to their reply, and we're gonna log it to our dashboard if it's a positive or negative. And this is the updated Google Sheet. I have included everything, including the dashboard and this one in the free school community. And here are the dates, name, email, message they sent, response sent. This is the welcome message, follow-up. I just put some dummy data here just to have it. And then in the end, we have the sentiment analysis of the reply, and we have count unique emails, how many unique leads we have. And this is a dashboard that is fully customizable. It's on HTML. We can say last 7 days, last 30 days, we can say all. And this is purely connected with this Google Sheet, that's all. And you can customize this logo and this client name in your HTML code. You just open in the HTML code of this file, and there are 3 things that are customizable. Let me show you then. You are opening the HTML file on a notepad, and when you come here on Sheets URL, you are putting your sheet URL, which is this one. But you have to make sure when you go to share with others, and you have to put this to anyone with the link, and this will ensure that this file is shared. You copy this URL, put it here, and now here on the company name, for example, you're gonna write your customer's company name, let's say Mura AI, and here on the logo URL you can put your customer's logo. Let me put my profile picture, for example. Okay, when we save the notepad document, which is HTML, when we refresh the page now, you can see the logo of your client and the name of your client. Look, Muro AI lead dashboard and logo. This is fully customizable to your clients, and for every client, when you do this with some dummy data, or you can get some their data, for example, from their last, let's say, ad campaign or something, and you can see the dates, the names of that, all of the emails, the messages, response sent, this is the welcome message, how many follow-ups, and reply. If it's true, we have a reply. If it's negative, neutral, positive, and we have our funnel here. As we can see, total leads 7, total unique emails 7, how many replied, and how many positive and negative replies. And this is really good, visually appealing way to show your clients what they're gonna expect. For example, from now they have to bring traffic to their web page, or they have to just use the link to their form, and when their form is filled, this full dashboard every time is gonna be updated. You just click refresh or whatever they open, this is gonna be updated, and they're gonna be able to see with one glance of it how their campaign or how their marketing is going on, how many leads they have, how many uniques, how many replies, and the sentiment of their replies. And this is gonna be my bonus to you. Just go to the free school community, download all of the templates, watch the video, and import them step by step. This workflow is gonna be included, and you just have to go import from file and just import the bonus workflow. And when you come, you have to just set here your Google Sheet to be the same sheet that we are using here. Put your credentials for your Gmail note, and here you just on sentiment analysis here, just put your credentials for Google Gemini, as it is free. And in the end, we have this workflow, this one, and this running fully automatically for free for $0, and that's it. If you like this video and find it helpful, please like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and go join my free school community from the link below. You can find here all of the templates and the videos that I am uploading. You can ask questions as well, and here on the classroom you can find automation tools and resources here. Also, all of my videos and templates, all of the resources are uploaded here. So you just have to come, find the name of the video, and when you click the video, you can download the files from there. And then if you want to dive deep into AI automations and to try to land your first AI automation client, you can join Muro AI Academy there. Here we're gonna have live calls every week that are gonna be happening, and here you're gonna find 2 courses that I am uploading now, from 0 to first workflow and from first workflow to first paid client. Then all of the templates that I know are gonna be here, I am uploading, and with all of the templates I am including also a client pitch pack for which businesses this automations is best for, and outreach templates, for example for cold email or for LinkedIn. You can join Muro AI Academy from the link below as well. And this is gonna be it. Thank you very much for being with me today, and see you on the next one. Thank you.